Hi Dimi, this is a short little video to show you how to do your curved text as you've requested. So I've just placed your screenshot that you've sent me, and my understanding is you've got your Collingwood here, but we want to actually curve the type as seen in your original sketch. So it's fairly easy to do. It's just a couple of steps. I'm going to go over here and select the ellipse tool, which is found in this menu here. So you might have the rectangle tool that's selected. So we really want that ellipse tool. Now I'm going to actually draw myself an ellipse because looking at your design, see that there? It is probably more of an ellipse shape rather than a circle. Just going to go over here and swap it over so I've got an outline and my solid shape. Next I'm going to go for T for type, but just holding that down so you get the menu. And I'm going to select type on a path tool. I could click anywhere I wanted to, but looking that yours starts here, I'm going to do something similar as well. Now just ignore that text that's come up. That's our lorem ipsum, which is our fake text. And the first thing I'm going to do is actually just type in Collingwood, and that text disappears. So that's pretty good. I've also chosen uppercase because I noticed that's what you had done. Now, while I'm here, I can select the type. So that's just holding down the shift key or holding down the mouse key. And going back over here to your type, what you've selected, even your hand generated type and also your type, it's a sans serif font, so it doesn't have any of the serifs and it's kind of bold. So I'm not sure what you've used, but I'm going to choose something fairly similar. So we can actually use an Arial black, or the nicer version of Arial is of course our famous Helvetica. So just choosing perhaps our Helvetica here, like this, and then we can go to regular and we'll go to bold. Now I can also then, while I'm here, actually make it bigger, like so. While I'm here, one more thing to think about is remember our tracking and our kerning that we've talked about this year? Can you notice that in particular, look, the W and the O, see there's more space there? And between these two these two letter O's, there's less space. And also here, it's kind of tight between the bottom of the L and the I. This is the sort of thing that I really want you to play with. And these sort of things here, this tracking and this kerning, we can go to not our paragraph, but if we go over here to character, hold that down and up it comes. So can you see here, this little one here? That one there sets the tracking. So you can actually type in a figure and it will track the same distance between each letter, or you can select two letters and type in some individual tracking. But I'm going to come back to this later because what I want to show you now is if I click our selection tool, can you see what happens? Now, can you see this handle here? And you've also got some other handles here. But this little fella here is kind of good to play with because you can gently nudge this around, or you can put it anywhere you want. All right, so it's kind of a very powerful tool. And I'm just, going to do this. The other thing I can also do as well, just put that back. It does move very, very fast. All right, that's looking pretty good. So now what I was saying to you before is that we can go into our character and we can adjust, so just holding that down. You do have to go back in and select your type, so I'll just do that first. So we can go back into here, select T for type, we can highlight that, oops, missed it. I can highlight this like so, go to character, hold that down, okay, and then just here we can actually adjust this, and as you can see I can just click away like so, and you'll find that those letters are adjusting the space. Or you can actually go back in and select just two letters like this and go to character and play with the tracking there. Now you really can't see what I'm doing, can you? Because so I just move it to the side, go character, come on, character, and now here, and if I'm just clicking these here, and you actually can see there's some slight adjusting that's actually going on between here. So Dimi, these are the little things that you can actually play with. The other thing, of course, you can also do is just adjust that circle if it's not quite fat enough. So Dimi, I hope that that's helped you out on how to do this. Wish you all the best.